Here we are on the beach. Uncle Clay, what are you making?
We are making a power source.
A power source.
Yes, water is power.
We're making a lake in town.
Yep.
What are you doing over there?
I'm advising.
He's our mayor.
I'm administrating the...
Okay, so what are you teaching her about?
Well, we've realized that Coco no longer has to go get water from the ocean because she can just get it from down here.
Oh.
So she can take this water and put it back up there, the water flows again.
And keep recycling it.
Yep.
And you made a nice little waterfall. Very cool. Is that cool, Coco?
I'm making a town.
You're making a town?
Yeah. And I love to make towns.
Oh yeah? Why do you like to make towns? Or why do you love to make towns?
Because it's cool, because we can make people.
Okay.
And ponies.
And ponies. Okay. Bye.